Okay, now back with me, Zidan Mahendra here. Now I'm using OBS again, thankfully, but just for making videos like this. Okay, today, very day, we're gonna take a look back many years ago, before even I started a YouTube channel. We go deep into my. Okay. Okay, sign in. I got this. We're back many years ago. Okay, this is, yeah, many years. I am a scratcher. Now let's look at my old profile, mate. Okay, this is very. Look at that. Joined 6 years ago, 7 months ago, Indonesia. I made a lot of my games in here. A lot. Shared projects. Look at that. Look at that. I even. Okay, let's see. Let's play my game. This is my game. I I made this like 7 years ago, 5 years ago. I don't know. But this is my, yeah. But this game is very basic, mate. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna play. Look at that. Look at that. It's a very simple game. Look at that. I'm gonna full screen this. Gonna move it again. Okay. This is me. I made this as an elementary student, not for kids. But fun fact, mate, I'm just barely 10 years old back then. Look at that. This game is very simple. You just zoom animal like this, and you reload by pressing R, and that the bullet is now quadruple. Okay, I'm going wild at there, mate. Look at that. Look at this. Uh, this is my childhood, man. This is my childhood. I played this many years ago. I made this. Boom, boom, die. Buffalo. Ah, look at that. Look at that. Ah, look at that. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, so many years ago. Ah, my child, look at the score is going up. And we're quit. Now move on to next project now. This is one of my project. I got a lot of them. Paintball Online 2013. See about this. Let's learn about my own game. I made what is date? Okay, look at September 29, 2013. Oh, very long time ago. What's your username? I'm gonna use my own username. Boom. See that? Oh, I press spacebar to shoot. Boom, 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 boom. And look at the score. Look at the score, Mike. Look at the score. Woo! The score is going up. The score is going up. The score is going up. Many years ago, I basically, mate, I'm suck at making this, but yeah, consider this is my yeah, this is my projects. Look at this. Until 7. What is this? I accidentally upload this into Scratch. See about this. What is the level? Uh, okay, victim. I know about this. And see that? this is uncompleted, mate. Alright, I made this. See about this. Yeah, this is my finest game ever. Yeah. I use this template to make this game. See about this. Okay. Slender Night of Horror. This game generates system. Okay. Oh, that's a page. That's a page. Look at it. Pages 1 to 8. Oh, I can run. I can run. Oh. Pages 1 to 8. This thing is very, very basic. Basically basic. Very, very basic. I don't know how to describe this, mate. Okay, hello, flood invasion. I use some guys project to remix. I remix it. Oh, I forgot into this. Oh, where's the ah? No, this game is very playable. Look at this. Footcraft RPG troll version. I forgot about this, mate. Yeah, find some fruit with the fruit place. Can move me with the arrows key. This is very simple, mate. Look at this. It's my home. This is my home, mate. Look at this. Oh, yes. I can walk. I can walk on the table. The table is basically bigger than me. Hey, it's my Ottoman cushion. Cushion, okay. Hey, it's my food now. I'm not gonna eat the. I'm not gonna pick up the fruits. I'm gonna sleep because I got plenty of food. Oh, I can walk into here. That's cool. Let's move into this. Narcotics. This is my joke, mate. This is my very joke. And I want. This is a cigarette. Let's see what this cigarette photo. What? And ah, a gun. A gun. Look at this. Illegal gun. Releases. Jail. Many years ago. Ooh, 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 my. Okay, let's play paper. Fish search. Alpha 1.9. Boom. Welcome, first onliner. This is basically yeah, nothing. This is more like messenger, but it's in Scratch. Look at this. Hello world. See that? But it does nothing. It does nothing, mate. See about this. Look at this. Search drop by Squidward House.
Don't they know I'm...
This meme is a dank meme back then, back in my childhood. This meme is very, very awesome. Back in my times, in like 2012, 2011, 2012, 2013. This meme is dank. This basically equal to a dank meme. in this time. At this time, like coffin dance or anything like that. Oh, I made paper Minecraft too. I just pirated my. I just remix it. I remix others people project and claim it. It's mine. what a what a loser of mine. I'm such a loser back then. Okay, this is very long. I'm gonna play a new game. Okay, the mode is creative. Survival. World size is huge. Oh, default. Help chest done. Generating world, and it's more like Minecraft, but it's in Scratch. Look at this. Very basic. Oh, I forget. Hey, press E to open chest. Oh, what we got here? Uh, okay. We got sword. We got shovel. We got this. Oh, we got water and lava. We get plenty of equipment. We got TNT too. So good back then. But now I think it's just forgotten, mate. It's forgotten. I'm gonna play this long enough. Paper Minecraft. Ah, good game. Okay. Now I'm gonna. Oh, I pick up Oh, I cannot use my I just use this. E. Where's my axe? Let's try chop down a tree with this. Oh, I forgot about that. I can use my. Hey, the axe is backwards. See that? See that? Huh? See that? This the axe is backwards. Oh my. Oh, chop down a tree. Let's. It's a water. Yep, it's water, and it does work. Going down. Oh, I can see anything. Going back outside. This is not a good idea. This is not a good idea, man. Hey, it's a pig. Help, pig. Help, pig. I'm gonna kill you. Ah, ah, Oh, got a pork chop. Yummy. Hey, the sheep. Bam. Bam, boom, bam. Oh, what? I got three? Three wolves? What? Oh, I'm gonna get hurt. Oh, I'm not get hurt by a cactus. No, thank you, sir. Wow, look at this one. Ow, ow. I gotta eat. Here, eat. Uh, what? What? I cannot eat? I can't eat, right? Oh, there's a zombie right there, I can see. Okay. Oh, I can fire. Boom. 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 Ah, I'm such a bad shooter. Boom. 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 Come on, hit. Okay, hit. Eh. Uh, Fuck it. I'm gonna use this. Oh, he's dead. Okay, going back to the surface. And we found nothing. Oh, we found bedrock. These things cannot be uh, removed. What if I do this just like in Minecraft? Okay, E. I'm gonna craft some planks. Oh, where to go? Oh, into this. I'm gonna make my way into. Okay, I wanna kill myself. I certainly wanna kill myself now. Uh, 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 uh. Yeah, see that? It's just like playing Minecraft, but It's 2D, my 2D. I bought Minecraft. I hate Minecraft. Basically, I hate Minecraft in this computer. I bought it by Microsoft. Okay, now go. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I certainly can dead. Okay. I can break this. Cool. Okay. Now we got plenty of item. Oh, we got obsidian too. But how I can go to the nether? How? I will break this. Boom. And I will switch it into here. E. Uh. Sa. Scratch. Nah. Nah. Just like that gibberish. Oh, look at this. I will place this into this. Oh, E. It's nothing. Uh, so I can place a cake. Okay, so you place a cake in here. Oh, I can use the cake. Hey sheep, wanna die? Wanna die, huh? Wanna die? Wanna die? I say wanna die. Yeah, wanna die soon enough? Then come here. Oh, I got. Let's see if I go to that cave. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, oh, I'm certain to be dead. Ah, there's nothing in here. There's no cave. There's no anything. There's a sinkhole under the sea. Found nothing. Just eat. Hey, I can eat. How? How I can eat? How? How? My health is. I'm so confused with this game, mate. Let's see. Let's see. Help. Letter O. To B. It's very simple, mate. Pretty simple. Oh, it's been a while, mate. Played this. Okay, let's move to another one. So long, huh? So long, huh? Hmm? Let's say about. I guess we are. Okay, Monopoly Deluxe. What is this? Monopoly. I have Monopoly too. I forget about that. I remix it. Oh, I can play Monopoly. Roll dice. Wow, I can roll my dice. Buy. Doubles. Buy. Free parking. Okay, roll dice. And it's just break the game. I'm so confused with this. Free parking. Oh. I feel I'm getting a time machine here. I'm going back into 2013 and see what this. This is the ruins of the year of 2013, 2014. I don't know. I'm just collect. Okay, collect. Just that's simple. Ruchik's prom. What is this? DOS. See about this. This is an imitation of Ruchik's imitation of Unix. Aha, I made this. Program Studio. Checking for updates. Chicks opened. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Mega super put. Help. Let's type help to. How can I? Oh, okay. Now let's see help. Oh, I just use this help. Scan. Help comments. Scan viruses. About chicks date time. Deer open deer. Okay, let's go. Deer outdoor deer. Oh no, deer is not updated for this version. Please check the version error. I made that. Oh, not that. Oh, oh, oh crap. Oh, let's start again. It's very simple, mate. It's very simple. Oh, I don't remember about this now. Checking for updates. Come on. Which is opened. I can write anything. Help. And again. About. Right? Oh, I made this in 2013. In 2013, Mike. In 2013. 2016. I thought. Oh. Why I'm so stupid? 2016. Oh, Lord. Let's see. Date. What date is it? Date. 22. 2020. Not this. Not quick find now. Scan. Okay, scan. Let's type scan. Virus scan guard 1.0. Scanning. This is some kind of DOS, mate. This is some kind of DOS program in Scratch. I'm really love about programming back then. Scanning. No files in your computer. That's it, mate. That's it. That's all my project. Now, oh, I still got Roachix 2.0 plus beta. See about this. This is an update of my Roachix 1.0. Ugh. Username I use Awesomi 3. Go. Welcome Awesomi 3. Type help if you need help. Oh, this thing has a bug. This thing has a bug, mate. I made this greatest clone my search. Oh, very good. December 04 2016. Let's see the lastest project in this. The last project I made in search is Halo 2 Flood Invasion. See the date. Huh? I made this in 2019. Never. What? This thing is joking, mate. 2019 I used. Oh, nothing about that. So that's it for now. That's it for my review about my old Scratch account. And see you next time. I will sadly pleased for you. I'm not begging you. I'm not begging you for subscribing to my channel. I just please subscribe to my channel, mate. Who knows? I get ad revenue. I need a new job, man. I got new job. I got no jobs here, and I'm just a student now, so I don't get a job. But I need money, please. I will not. No, no. I will not take your money, but I need money. Okay. Okay. Uh, hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel. Please hit that like button and yeah, just like that. It's very simple. Okay. Bye.